What would you do if everything went wrong in a single moment? You had to run, move, survive, right now. No warning. No time to think. Just grab your gear and go. That's exactly why the bug-out bag exists, and why every smart person should have one. A bug-out bag isn't just a backpack. It's peace of mind in a zipper. It's your mobile survival kit for disasters, evacuations, and the kind of chaos life loves to throw at us. Think zombie apocalypse, flash flood, wildfire, or just a week of absolutely ridiculous bad luck. When you need to move fast, you won't have time to pack. You'll grab your bag, and that bag better be ready to save your life. So what goes inside? First, water, liquid gold. Without it, you're done in 3 days. That's science, no arguing. So your bug-out bag needs water bottles, purification tablets, maybe a compact filter. Hydration bladders are awesome to hands-free water while you hike, crawl, or outrun whatever's coming. Oh, and toss in a collapsible container. Rain is free water falling from the sky, catch it. Then food. Hungry survivors don't last long. You want energy bars packed with calories, dried fruit, instant meals, maybe some jerky, stuff that won't spoil, stuff that keeps your brain sharp and your feet moving. And please, don't forget a spoon. Try eating hot soup with your fingers. Yeah, exactly. Now, let's talk safety. Your first aid kit. Not optional. Cuts, burns, blisters, infections. These will happen. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, pain relievers, tweezers. You ever tried pulling out a splinter with your teeth? Don't. A first aid kit keeps small problems from becoming disasters. Next, warmth and shelter. You can go weeks without food, but only hours without shelter in freezing weather. Pack a lightweight tarp, emergency blanket, gloves, and extra socks. Hypothermia doesn't care how tough you think you are. And for the love of survival, wear real shoes. Boots beat sneakers. Sneakers beat sandals. Sandals are a crime, then we pens. Just kidding. Kind of. Tools. Tools are practically weapons against bad days. A good multi-tool is your pocket superhero knife, screwdriver, saw, can opener, all in one. With that thing, you can build, shelter, open food, repair gear, and look extremely capable while doing it. Add a flashlight with extra batteries. Darkness is not your friend. A headlamp? Even better, hands-free survival mode activated. The best bug-out bags are personal. They fit your niche, your location, your climate, your skills. Maybe you need allergy meds. Maybe you wear glasses, pack a spare pair. Maybe you have a dog, your furry buddy needs food too. Your bag should feel like a survival extension of yourself. But here's the truth. People forget it's not enough to pack a bug-out bag. You have to know it. Train with it. Practice using your gear. A survival tool you don't know how to use is just extra weight. Test it, pack it, repack it. Keep it close someplace you can grab it in 10 seconds, not buried behind your Christmas decorations. Because emergencies don't wait. They don't warn you. And when the world starts falling apart, when your heart is pounding and your brain is screaming one word asterisk, go asterisk. Your bug-out bag will be your lifeline. Prepare now, not later. Survival isn't luck. It's preparation. And your future self will thank you.